Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So either on iOS or Android device, open up your WhatsApp application and go to Settings. This gear icon on iPhone or 3 bars over here on Android. So open Settings, go to Account and tap Delete My Account. Also, you can change your phone number, so if you just change your SIM card, you don't have to delete your account and create a new one, because account deletion is permanent. You will not be able to restore your data, contacts, group participations and so on. But if you wish to delete your account, you need to enter your phone number with country codes. Let's find your country. Enter your phone number. And hit delete my account. We hate to see you go. Tell us how we can improve. So this is optional. You don't have to input anything here. Just hit next. And this is the last page before you can change your mind. If you tap on this button, your account will be permanently deleted. So if you decide to do it, tap on this button and you're all set. Guys, I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.